Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll continue building financial model of a mobile application, and today we will continue working on the revenue generating algorithm. So we already have new active users amount in this line, in this timeline. Here they are, but the interesting thing is that not all of these users are the same. So we need to create the portraits of different types of users to make them switch on and off, to make us play with the number of these different types of users, to increase and decrease of percentages of this or that type of user. So maybe we are too optimistic with this or that portrait of the user. So this is very valuable thing when you start playing with scenarios, when you start looking at strengths of your business idea, weaknesses. So first, now we need to create these portraits. So we will create a new block of inputs. We'll call it user types. Types. So this will be a new block of inputs. And we will be so here I will type of user. Then the first parameter is we need to be able to switch on and off this or that type of user. So this is the first thing that we will need many steps ahead to see the performance of our business idea with this or without this or that optimistic type of customers. So user type 1, so this will be the input, so we color it with our specific color which goes with all our inputs. Then we should be able to switch on and off this or that type of user. So I will use data validation, use on off switcher. This is also the input. So I'm coloring it with blue. By this formula we're explaining the Microsoft Excel that if we are counting these revenues, 0 means that we are not counting these inflows and outflows. So it works this way. The next step, for example, we need some areas where we will be specifying how often these or that types of users pay us, for example, for premium membership. So premium membership payment. So first parameter that we specify is how often this or that type of user pays us the membership payment. So for example, some of users pay us monthly, some of them pay us once in 2 months, some of them pay us once in 3 months, some of them pay us once in 6 months, and some of them pay us once a year. And for example, some of them will just use our application for free, and we won't get any payments for them. So that's why we are putting here a 0. The next parameter that we will be specifying is user lifecycle. So all different users won't stay with us forever, so one day they will disappear. And that's why if we introduce a lifecycle parameter, so user lifecycle, this will be nominated in months. This will give us an opportunity to calculate the revenues more accurately. So for example, this group of portraits of users, they will stay with us within a period of 12 months. They will stay with us for a year and then disappear. For example, the next group of users will stay with us for 2 years, and the third group of users, for example, will stay with us for 3 years and then disappear. And the next exercise, we will be allocating the amount, using percentages, the amount of new customers between these portraits. So these are the inputs, so we are coloring this data with blue. Then these are also the inputs, so I'm also coloring it with blue, but this format will be a percentage format. So, and I will be just specifying the amount of users, the percentage which goes for to each type of user of our application. So the total must be 100%. So I will add, for example, this value here, totals, then control value, so if this value equals to 1, then we put here OK, otherwise we will put mistake. So then let me do like this. We will be using conditional formatting here. I will add a rule. So if this cell equals to 1, then the fill will be green and the font will be black. So if I put here allocate more than 100% or less, this will give me a mistake. So what I will do now, so now I will copy the timeline. I will copy the timeline. New users structure in timeline. So here I will put the portraits, the types of users, and then I will take this line, new active users amount per month, and I will multiply it on the structure that we've just created. So we have 3025 new users, and they will be structured this way. And according to this structure, so at the next video we will be moving to the payments that different types of customers make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.